Hey, what is up everyone? It is Jake Pimentel here from Pimetechnology, and I am here today with an exciting new video. So as many of you guys know, I've done multiple videos on the LG Stylo 2 and the 3 in the past, but today I have the LG Stylo 4. So I was able to finally get my hands on the phone. I want to give a huge shout out to Cricket Wireless for sending this over to me to do a review and do some cool videos for you guys. I have some cases coming for the LG Stylo 4 and a lot more coming. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. To start off the unboxing, I want to go ahead and show you guys around the box. So on the front, we have a Cricket Wireless little logo here. On this side of the box, we have the LG Stylo 4 branding. On this side, we do have some information about the phone, but that's personal and I don't want to expose any of that information. On this side, we also have the LG Stylo 4 logo, and the back is where it gets interesting. So on the back, we have all the specs of the phone. Let me get a quick zoom on that. So as you can see, it has a 6.2-inch full vision, full HD plus display, has an octa-core processor and 4G LTE speeds. It also has a 13 megapixel full HD rear facing camera with LED flash, as well as a 5 megapixel wide angle front camera. I'll be testing both of these quite extensively. And it also has a fingerprint sensor on the back to unlock the device. We'll see how that performs in real world. And then we also have a picture of the front of the Stylo 4 right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and get inside the box here. So all we have to do is open up the top here. As you can see, we are immediately greeted with "Welcome to Cricket Nation. We're glad you're here." And we also have our quick start guide. So you may want to look at this after you pull open the phone and everything. But we'll put that to the side for now. In here, we have our phone. Let's go ahead and pull it out. First impressions, it feels pretty weighty for being a budget device. So you can definitely tell that LG decided to go with different outside materials this time. But we'll go ahead and look at the phone in a second here. We also have our Cricket SIM card. And if we go deeper inside the box, we have some more boring pamphlets that none of us look at. And we also have our adapters here. So the cool thing about the LG Stylo 4 is that it supports fast charging via USB-C. So as we can see, there's the power brick for the wall. And then we also have the USB-C cable right here. So that's super awesome. I know a lot of other devices, especially high-end Android devices, are using the USB-C technology. And we also have a SIM ejection tool. I don't know if that's going to show up on camera, probably not, but that's a SIM ejection tool just in case you need to pop your SIM in and out. But let's go ahead and put these back in the box and let's get right to the phone. Okay, so the phone is in this plastic wrapping. Let's go ahead and pull that right out. Alright, so as we can see, I have the lavender color of the LG Stylo 4, and first impressions, it honestly looks really nice. You would think this would be kind of a more bright color, but it's actually pretty nice looking. It's not too bright. It's not too pushy. It looks really, really good. It almost kind of looks like a silver. Let's see if I can get that on camera. You can see it has that light pink hue to it, which I think looks good. And it also looks kind of like a silver, which is awesome. So it's got this nice glass back on it. We can see our camera and our fingerprint sensor. Now if we go over to the front of the phone, we can see that we have a "Let's Get Started" little plastic piece from Cricket here. So let's go ahead and pull that off and let's boot up the phone. So the front does remind me of older LG Stylos, but the back is definitely a huge change. There we go, LG Stylo 4. And I'm just going to kind of go quickly through, speed up the booting process here. Alright, so the phone is booted up. We are welcomed with this very nice screen right here. Looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and set the phone. Alright, so now we're going to go through the fingerprint scanning process. I want to go through that with you guys. Let's see how fast it is able to scan in my fingerprint. So I'm going to go ahead and scan the finger here. And as you can see, it's just like any other phone. You just lift it up and down. And it wants me to place my finger differently each time. So I'll do that. There we go. And it's added. So that was really, really simple actually. Alright, so there we are. We are now booted into the LG Stylo 4, and I have to say, first impressions, this phone feels really premium for the price tag. The screen on it is very, very nice. It's very, very vivid, colorful, and it's also very high resolution. So this is 1080p by 1920 and has a large pixel density. Basically what that means is that it looks pretty incredible. Let's see if I can get a closer view on it here. It truly does look really, really, really good. First impressions is that the screen looks really, really good. The device feels super, super premium. I'll definitely have to get more into testing the camera and all other things, basically just the overall experience of the phone. As you can see, we also do have the stylus down at the bottom here. So if you pull that out, you can use it and do quick notes, just like the LG Stylo 3. If you saw that in my video, it makes this cool sound. Let's see if you guys can hear this. Very, very cool. Yeah, so first impressions are really, really good. This feels a lot more premium than the LG Stylo 3. There will be a ton more videos coming out very soon. I have cases coming. I'm going to do a tips and tricks video. Lots of stuff coming, so definitely stay tuned, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date when I upload my latest videos. That way you can also click the notification icon. You can be notified when I upload those videos. Again, thank you guys so much for the support lately. I'm so excited to finally do some stuff with the LG Stylo 4. Smile because you and technology are amazing.